vertically opposite angle, and here we have proved that they are equal. So you can write similarly, we can also prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay, so hence this is the proof of theorem number 6.1. Okay, now let us start with exercise 6.1. You can see in the figure I have drawn line AB and line CD. They are intersecting each other at point O. Also, it's given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Means addition of these two angles is 70. Right? BOD, this angle is equal to 40 degree. Right? We need to find out what is measure of angle BOE separately and what is the measure of angle reflex angle COE, means this particular angle. Right? We can get reflex angle of COE only if we obtain first what is angle COE. So let us start with this step. Now you can see we have a straight line AB, only this much, right? In which we are having three angles forming linear pair, right? So angle AOC, angle COE and angle BOE, they form a straight line angle. So their addition will be equal to 180. Right? So I have written this step. Now from the data it is quite clear. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree. So the addition of these two angles is equal to 70 degree. I'll write 70 degree plus whatever is left out, that is angle COE, is equal to 180 degree. And so angle COE will be equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 degree. So we got the first result, angle COE is 110 degree. It's very simple, we can just write reflex angle COE. As it is reflex angle, it will be 360 minus angle COE. So this will be 360 degree minus 110 degree. So the answer is 250. So we got the answer, reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. Right? Okay. Now let us find what is angle BOE. Now same thing I will draw again. If you consider CD to be a line, the same way you will get three angles forming a straight line. Those angles are COE, BOE and BOD. So we can say addition of these three angles also will be 180 degree. Okay, so let me write. Right, so we have written addition of three angles is 180. Now earlier we have already found COE is equal to 110. So this will be 110 degree. BOD was given in the data. You can see here BOD was 40 degree. So I'll write in place of BOD 40 degree. So we need to find angle BOE. Now I can find it very easily. 110 plus 40 will be 150 and it will be subtracted from 180, and so angle BOE will be equal to 30 degree. Right? 180 minus 150, which is 30 degree. That's all. So let me come to the next sum, which I will explain you first and then we will be writing. Lines XY and MN intersect each other at point O. So you can see this is XY and MN intersecting at point O. Also angle POY is 90 degree. So that means this angle is right 90 degree. Right? So it is quite obvious if you see only line XY with OP. This was your line XY. And as OP is standing on the line, OP making an angle of 90 degree here. So it is quite obvious the linear pair POX also will be 90. Right? Now here in the previous figure you can see this POX is divided into two angles, namely POM and angle MOX, which are A and B respectively. So it is quite obvious A plus B will be equal to 90. But in the question it is given that the ratio of A and B is 2:3. So we will take common multiple. Whenever it is given in the form of ratio, we are taking the common multiple to be K. So A will be equal to 2K and B will be equal to 3K. And then their addition 2K plus 3K will be equal to 90. So let me write up to that. So same thing I have written. First of all, two angles are forming linear pair, so total is 180. One of them is 90, so we got P of x is 90. Now A is to B is 2 is to 3, so taking common multiple k, we will get A as 2k and B as 3k. Also angle P of x, which we are getting as 90, can be written as A plus B is equal to 90. And so 2k plus 3k is 90. So 5k is equal to 90 degree, and hence we got the value of k as 18 degree. Now when we substitute this value, so A will be 2k, that means 2 into 18 will become 36, and B was 3k, so B will become 54. Okay, so I have mentioned A as 36, B as 54. Again I have drawn just line MN and ray OX. You remember angle MOX was B and angle NOX was C. So what relation you can find between B and C? Yes, B and C are forming again linear pair, and so the total is 180. Now you have already got B as 54. So we will get 54 plus C is 180 degree. So obviously C will be 180 minus 54, which is equal to 126 degree. Okay, so we got all the values of A, B and C. Okay.